Zhongshan Huangchuang Smart Home Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer with many years of production experience, specializing in the R&D and production of lamp products and fan lamps. We are located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, China. We mainly focus on professional intelligent lamps and fan lamps. Our goal is to become a top 100 intelligent lamps company. The main hot-selling products are ceiling fan lamp, DC frequency conversion fan lamp, intelligent lamp, intelligent ceiling lamp, and other hot-selling products. At present, the company has established R&D department, production department, business department, engineering department, testing and quality control department, and other relevant departments to better serve customers. We can provide you with R&D and production of ODM, OEM, processing of drawings and samples, and a large number of spot goods can be shipped in time for you. The products can only be delivered after passing the strict material inspection, production inspection, reliability test, balance test, noise, and other relevant tests. Quality first. Customer satisfaction is our loyalty. We have more than 40 patent certificates, and our products have passed CE certification, CCC certification, FCC, and other certification and certification reports. Our products are highly praised by customers all over the world. Sincerely look forward to working with you.